Hey guys, we're here at Home in Schaumburg, Illinois, and I am looking to totally redo my balcony and turn it into a city boho oasis. So let's go see what we can find. All right guys, come check out my new balcony. I love my new balcony. The rug is warm and inviting. The planters add height and life. The wicker has that boho vibe that I love. The pillows add texture. The throw blanket, a pop of color. The coffee table and side table are metal, perfect for Chicago winter. And the whole thing came together for way less than I thought it would. I love going to At Home and feeling the thrill of discovering something new.